So for the next part, it says identify where each of the 4 quadrants are located. We already identified them, right? I already told you that this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So this is already identified. Yes. So for the next one, they want you to graph these points on the XY plane.
Madam,
yes.
This is always level. The axis
Yeah.
are the square as shown in the actual plane.
That's right.
What?
That means you always have to label your axis. So this is axis X, this is axis Y, so you have to write X and Y. And you always have to include the numbers on your scale.
Right.
Okay?
We have done.
Yes.
That is to prove that you have the measurement correct, right?
That's right. And then to be able, for me, to be able to know if you're doing something right or wrong. Right? If you don't put your numbers, how am I gonna be able to say that you're doing it right or wrong? Right? So if I basically did this, okay? If I didn't include the, right? And I told you, find point 3, -3 for me. Would you be able to find it?
No, I think I'll be playing a game of Battleship. And
You won't be able to do it, right? Because you don't know. What if my scale was going up by 2? What if it's not right? You know, you have to be able to, I have to be able to look at your axis and I know where 1 is. And I need to know where 2 is. I need to know where 3 is. Okay?
okay.
Okay. Now, the next question is asking you to place A, B, C, D, E, and F on the graph. Okay? So where is A, which is 2, 3? Does anyone want to come and locate that? Is it on the board? Okay, come on.
And then for 10 minutes.
Yes.
This 2 here.
Yeah.
And 3 will be here.
Yeah.
Is the
Yes. That's right. That's it. That's it. And then you have to write letter A on top. That's right. Okay. Excellent. Thank you, Gary. Okay. So 2 is on the X. So you have to find the 2 on the X. And then you have to find the 3 on the Y. And then where do they meet? That's where A is. Okay? So 2 on the X, 3 on the Y. Where they meet? That is your A. Okay? I'm going to use a different color for this. B is 5, -1. Where do I have to go first?
right hand side 5. X.
5x to -1.
So 5, -1. That's where it is. Okay? C is -2 and 3. -2, 3. D is -4, -5. Now, can I have your attention here for a second?
Yeah.
Where would E be?
You will start at the point of origin since it's 0. And
Mhm.
it'll go to,
Then-
that's
And
positive.
here, so I have to
So,
go.
so it'll go up then, up to that 3?
Up.
That's right. So I'm gonna have to start at the 0, at the point of origin, and then the Y is 3. So the Y is 3, so it's gonna be right here.
Why, would it be wrong if you put it on the other opposite?
Yes.
Why?
Because if you put it here, then the X value is 0. Sorry, the Y value is 0,
Oh,
and the X is 3.
I see,
Okay?
yeah.
Because the X is 0 and the Y is 3. Okay?
That's why you always tell us to remember the x first.
That's right. So the next one, x is -4 and y is 0. So I don't go up or down or anything, right? I have to stay right here.
Check please. Check please.
Yeah. Okay? Very important, locating these points. Okay? Because when you do quadratics or when you graph a line, you need to be able to find these points and then graph them correctly. Otherwise, your graph's gonna look weird and you're not gonna get the right answer. Right? Okay.